In this video, you will learn the meaning of no way, at least, and right now in English. Meaning of no way. No way means impossible, certainly not, or used to show surprise. Use no way in sentences. No way! I cannot believe it! There is no way to finish this today. She said, no way, I am not going there. Meaning of at least. At least means not less than a number, amount, or minimum level. Use at least in sentences. I need at least 2 hours to finish the work. She drinks at least 3 glasses of water daily. At least we reached home safely. Meaning of right now. Right now means at this exact moment or immediately. Examples, sentences. I am busy right now. She is studying right now. Please call me right now. Viewers, subscribe to this channel to learn more English vocabulary.